Okay, here we go. We are unboxing our cookie blender from Pampered Chef. I'm so excited. Okay, so I have been waiting for this amazing cooking blender for a month. So I'm making this video so I can use it later. I'm so excited. I haven't even changed my clothes from work. It's my husband. He's helping me here. Open. All right, let's see what we got in here. All right. We have a getting started guide with our Deluxe blender and a brush, I'm sure, for cooking or cleaning it. I mean, what else do we have? Oh, and I've never done this before or done an unboxing and have never used this blender. Just researched it, and I have an amazing mom and friend who sells Pampered Chef, and this was a great time to do it. A stick thing. Don't know what it is. Have no idea. In this little packet, I got this getting started booklet. We have, a cooking guide. I'll make some more videos and use that. And our little instruction booklet there. What else do we have? We have a bag inside of a bag. Yay. Okay. Some kind of a mesh bag. I'm sure we will figure out what to do with that at some point, but not sure right now. Ooh, he said it's heavy. All right. We have our main blender pitcher container thing. And our base. Yeah, so excited. Okay. So let's see, unwrap this. We have here our main piece there. Move the plastic out of the way. We have our lid. I'm not even sure. Oh, and it has arrows. It says open this way. See that? Oh, it's got a little, look at that. Okay, lid. It's got little arrows. I'm going to tell you how to open and close it. He's opening the base. Here's a piece that was inside the blender. Not sure where it goes, but I'm sure we're going to find out. What else do we have here? And some cardboard. We don't need that. Tip. Use the pitcher hanger and helper handle to tilt and lift the pitcher up from the base. This is your helper handle piece. And your other handle. And of course, I saw this in the video where you have plastic right here, so if you have hot stuff in there, because it's glass, it won't burn you when you pick up your pitcher. So there's that. All right, and here's our base that the hubby just unwrapped for me. Yeah, nice. Have our settings and things on the top and our dial here. I don't know. We're looking at parts and pieces to see how it goes. Okay, I should probably read like the directions or something. Should probably read this. Okay. English. Blender status. Parts. Parts are important. Okay, so let's see how we do this. Page 8. Oh, that's all the buttons. Okay. We're going to figure out how all this goes together. Oh, okay. This looks like we have an extra, maybe it's extra piece. This little black thing that came in. Looks like it is the same as that in the middle. So like a little extra piece there in case we need it later. I guess if you need it later, maybe. We'll want to keep it in. We'll keep that. It's got a little zipper bag. We're going to keep it in there for if we need it. Maybe in the drawer. Maybe we're going to put that in the drawer. I think that's for extra. Okay. So see how we set all this. How to use. Follow the steps in the preparing to cook section. Okay. So I guess we could plug it in. Oh, there's a piece of tape over here on the power button. Take that off. There's also some plastic coating here. We could take that off. Okay. We're going to take all the garbage for us. Okay, so I have picked a spot here on my counter that I am going to plug this thing in and see how it works. I don't know what all the parts are even. I don't think that's what that's for, babe, but we're gonna see. Let's plug it in. There's all kinds of how to use things in the book, but I haven't read it, so all right, we're gonna turn it around this way. It's got a really nice long cord, which I'm very thankful for. We are putting it, we don't have a lot of counter space, so I'm putting it where our coffee pots and stuff are, so we can, he actually said the cord's a little too long, right? I don't think you can ever have a cord that's too long, but we think so. So we're gonna move some things around here. Okay. Move the lid. Move this back. Okay, and I'll probably have to reposition my camera here in a minute. And there was a twisty tie. Here, we can pull the...
Leave it tight.
Do you want a twisty tie?
I don't want to take off.
Well, oh, let's just get... We'll twisty tie it back because the cord's a little long for where we have our little space here. There we go. We'll get right back to this in just a minute. My husband's going to take care of it because he has longer arms. So I'm not doing this on Facebook Live because I don't know if Facebook Live captions, and that's something that's important to me. And who knows how this is going to go, right? So if it's on live, then can't edit it. But I'll post on my Facebook, and I can post it on YouTube this way too. Okay. I don't think I need to pull it. I may just turn it, but I don't think I even need to pull it. I think it's fine. I'll be able to get to it just fine. Okay, I'm gonna move this. Come on, I can put this in the blender. And maybe, we'll see. See what I can do here. All right, so I'm moving this around. Here's my blender, yay. Okay. So we have a power button on this side. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. He's checking it out here. All right. So there's my blender. I don't know what's a good place to put it, but we're still not sure what this piece is for, or this. Don't know what that's for. Actually, I think this, if I remember from watching on a video, was to push things in without worrying about your fingers or anything. So I think that's what it's for. I could be totally wrong. This, maybe it does go on there. I'm not sure. We're not sure what it's for, but I think we'll probably, it fits in there, but I don't know what you do with it. Anyway, we'll figure that out in a minute. I'm going to put this piece back on. Okay. And then to put on our lid, we put the lid on. And, here, let's see. Put the lid on and then turn it like so. Ooh, see how it makes it sound? Right, so when the lid is off, there's actually something down here that says lid, right? It won't work if the lid's not on. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And then it looks like there's a smoothie, a grind, alternative milk, a heated wash, soups, heated puree, jam, sauce, all kinds of things. All right, I'm gonna look at this getting started. I should have started with this. Getting started, right? Okay, and it has all the pieces on the back there. And here's some nice descriptions of everything that's in there. Okay, so, all right. This thing is called a tamper. This is the strainer bag. This is a boil over guard. You use it for high altitude cooking. So I'm in Kentucky, so I don't have high altitude cooking. So I think that I'm probably not gonna need that. We'll put that in a cabinet somewhere. So that's what that is. Okay, so now we know. And I think that was all. And then the little piece, the little black piece I showed you earlier, that was for to replace the part inside if you need it. And we had our little brush, little cleaning brush. Let me grab that again. So that was this one, right? Double-sided cleaning brush for your blender. So to set up, it says, we already put it together. I'm gonna turn this around. I don't think there's a really great way for us to both be in there, but that's okay. It does say to wash it. It's time for the initial test run. Don't submerge the base. So it says remove the lid and fill the pitcher with water up to 3 cups line and add 1 to 2 drops of liquid dish soap. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Actually, I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna do a new video and I'm gonna go through the wash process.